can as well. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me introduce you to the wonderful, ever magnificent AnnaFX. Good morning, Anna. Welcome to TradeDelicious. How you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing good. Oh my goodness, I feel pressure when you started to talk about the numbers, the doubling and that kind of stuff. Don't put that kind of pressure on me. My goodness.
I'm sorry, but look, you deserve it. It's been so long since we've been able to have a chat, to sit down, to get in the live trading floor. How's things? I mean, it has literally been. Has it been since London?
Yeah.
It's been since London. Wow. Okay, well, there you go. Well, how's things? Tell us a little bit about. Tell the audience a little bit about who you are, and tell us a bit about your story.
Oh my goodness, I even don't know where to start. But yeah, things have really changed since London. But things are going well, and I think that's the most important thing, right? So things are going well, and yeah, I really enjoy this new year, 2024. This is the year when I'm changing, not changing who I am, but I'm changing as a trader, changing as a human, but to be better. And I'm really excited about this year. So also some tweaks and peaks in my strategy, which is also really exciting. And yeah, I'm just excited, you guys, too excited. And also I'm so nervous, need to be honest, because I haven't done the live stream in a while. So I literally, just before I joined, I said, I'm so nervous, I'm shaking like a leaf. So yeah, sorry guys.
Nothing to be nervous about. If you know me at all, you just know I'm going to put you on the spot a few times, and it's just going to make good content. But luckily, you are well affiliated with Rich, so Rich can save you if I put you on the spot a little bit too much. But Rich, you did mention you want to get in the charts. This is the live trading floor. Shall we get this on the road? If it's all looking attractive and I've got 7 to 8 different trade opportunities at the same time, that's usually a bad thing. I don't want to say that because I know someone in this chat, someone in this call, should I say, is buying the euro US dollar. But while I do look, I'm looking at it thinking I want to buy it. I'm a little bit worried on how much confluence I'm seeing from the market right now. But Anna, talk to me. How is that euro US dollar position treating you?
Oh, it's been a while. I mean, at this point, I'm already laughing and saying, once it's either gonna hit my stop loss or TP, I'm going to go gray. I'm not gonna have a brown hair anymore. It's just been not moving. Honestly, I picked the worst week to enter that trade, but it did make sense. It was according to my plan. I executed with, everything was just perfect. That met all the conditions that I was waiting for and all the confirmations. And I've been sitting on it since Monday. So it's a week, right? In the EU last week, I think it only moved 50 pips or something. I mean, it was ridiculous. It was a torture. Yeah, I mean, okay, 70, but it just was nuts.
I mean, considering the recent weeks, I mean, you can just look at the chart. But so talk to me. You said there you've picked the worst week to enter the trade. Run me through that one. If you knew this price, I mean, you're in profits. Your analysis is working, right? Your analysis technically at the moment is correct. Yes, it's doing it slow, it's steady, and a boring pace. But why are you feeling so negative about this position when it is going the way that you wanted it to?
I think because, first of all, I'm trying now to go to more to a swing trader. And if you enter a swing position and you've been sitting in there for a week, and if it only moves 50 pips, now guys, don't forget, we pay swaps on it as well. And it's been a whole week. And then on Wednesdays, we have triple swap, which is awesome. So it's really draining. I'll be very honest with you. So this trade at the moment that I'm holding, I put to break even just in a slight profit so I can actually cover my fees. And if at this point the price goes lower, I'm actually okay to take that break even, and then I will rethink, and I will consider maybe either to re-enter if I see still bullishness. But it's I had enough. I mean, I had enough. Even my patience run out. And for those who know, I'm mom of 4, so I have a lot of patience, a lot. But still, this trade is just why you're doing this to me?
But talk to me. Why swing?
Okay, I think the first reason is because it's the time. Like I really want to save my time. And
Yeah.
like this year, I really want to focus on like me and do things, you know, that, well, okay, this is gonna sound wrong when I say this. It's like I still want my trading to be like number one, but at the same time, I felt like last year I kind of slacked when it came to my time management. So this year I really want to focus more to being a good mom, and just focus more on family. So I think if you're a family, human, that sounds terrible, but it's just that swings makes more sense, right? But at the same time, it's like trading is my passion and I love trading. I really do love it. And like day trading, where I just need to sit there, be in the charts, I need to analyze and I need to, you know, make those crucial decisions. I love that part, but it just takes so much time. And I mean, you can agree with that. And also, just to top of this, I'm so blessed to live in Europe because I get to trade, you know, London at the normal time, New York at the like normal time. It's not like my night or early morning. And Jordan, you would understand, right? Because you're in Australia. So
yeah, rub it in, Anna. Just rub it in. Just rub it in.
I'm sorry. So yeah, anyhow, just going to swing because it is taking less time. But at the same time, if the swing positions that I enter are like this, as this EU, oh my goodness, I'm going to go bananas. And probably I will want to drop that swing trading because I'll be also very honest. While I was swing trading, I did took, you know, like day positions, intraday positions on EU. I did lost one trade, but I won two trades. So while I was like swinging, I was still doing the intra trade as well because it's just like I said, it's my passion. I love to do it. I love to spend time in the charts. But yeah, like moving forward, I really would love to transition and just trade less and to have that time freedom because essentially, you know, we join probably Forex, we join it because hey, it is all about money and all that, you know, luxury and all this. But for me, it's the time freedom, and I don't want to be stuck here for 12 hours in front of the screen. Like I want to enjoy my family time. So that's why I'm kind of going towards the swing trading, but still keeping my day trading because it's my passion. I want to be stuck in those charts, you know, in front of the screen. So
when did you start sprinkling in swing trading?
Actually it has been a while. So I've been like trying to do it, but I've never like really dig deeper into it because I've been looking at it. How can I, you know, it's like when you have a good strategy that is working for you. And I was thinking, how can I make this strategy work for me just on a higher time frame? So obviously I was needing to go to weekly time frames, daily time frames, and 4-hourly. And then when it came to my like entry points, I needed to like figure out how I'm going to enter because I want the confirmations and all that. So it's been a while. It's been a while, but like now I actually execute my swing trades because obviously Rich is here. He's just drooling as soon as he hears word data. But I've been collecting some data for a long time, right? Because I think it's really important. It's crucial for traders to know exactly if it's going to work or not. Because you cannot just like, hey, I want to do this, so now I'm going to do it. Like you actually need to have like a good database to see if it's going to work or not. Because I have heard people say, just, you know, if you can scalp, you can also swing trade. I don't agree with that. I honestly don't, because scalping has completely different entry rules and yeah, I'm trying to I'm losing the plot here what I'm trying to say. Anyhow, it's like I tried really my best to adjust my swing trading, and I noticed actually swing trading for me works the best when I do like market orders, not like the execution, like what do you call it?
Limit orders. Yeah,
You
limit
know,
orders.
so limit orders is what works for me better when I trade swing trades. So yeah, and but obviously like I still need to collect some data. I need to, you know, trade more, and that's why like my risk is I'm going like super low risk because I don't want to also put that kind of pressure on myself thinking, oh my goodness, I'm exposing myself in here, you know, by those swing trades. And also another thing I'm learning actually is how the swaps working, because especially like in this case, if you hold the swing trade for a long time, and I mean, like if you look at the EU, if we are, let's say, gonna again trade, I don't know, I mean, we could trade in this area again for maybe like another maybe hold this week. And if it never touches my like break even, the swaps will just go more and more higher. And yeah, that's like another thing I'm trying to learn and like collect data on how long I can actually hold this trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
So
I love it. I'm so excited. Like I'm like a little kid at school right now. Like I'm just excited. Just short for me. Little aggressive on the short there, in my opinion. I think that's oof, it's scary. But I respect it. I respect it gradually, and it's good to have opinions, right? But
Jordan, I couldn't resist. I needed to go in longs. Like I didn't take the trade, but I did put the risk to reward on my charts because I just need to go against Rich. I mean, come on, right?
Honestly, if I had
to game on, game on.
All right, I like it. Chat, what do you reckon? Who's going to win? Is Rich? Is the pound going to print down or is it going to print up? But look, on a scalping perspective, the way we're printing at the moment on the 5 minutes, disgusting for longs. However, the way we printed the previous hour, I think I would side with Anna. I'm not going to lie. I think I'm going to side with Anna.
This is just rude. I come on these streams and I get teamed up on. And the worst bit here is Jordan has, correct me if I'm wrong, Jordan is yet to take a losing trade on stream. That means that Jordan's analysis is just at a level where I need to be mindful of that.
Don't talk me up because that's not a setup. That's not a setup. And two, don't inflate my ego because I will lose a lot of money. So tone that down. Don't let me get ahead of myself. But no, like it was just that if I was scalping, I would go long.